പാരന്റ്സിനുള്ളിൽ കേട്ടിട്ടുണ്ടാ പറഞ്ഞു എല്ലാരും കേൾക്കുന്നു.
Honorable Chief Guest, Father, and respected teachers, parents, and all my dear friends, I am very proud to stand here to speak something in front of you. I am so happy. First of all, thank you so much, my parents, because you found a good school for me. I learned so many things from here. I know this school changed me a lot. How to learn, how to live, how to behave others, how to care our society, how to care our nature and all. Definitely, I will say I became a good human being or a good student. Now, I am very glad, but I am so sad because of two reasons. One is I am leaving from this school with my friends. I got many memorable moments in my life that all will become good memories. Okay. The second one is about amazing teachers will live here in this year. Sister Danny and Sister Sani, they are absolutely amazing. I think this school will miss you, sisters. I would like to say best wishes for your future and thank you very much.